Nag-celebrate ng 17th birthday ang anak nila, Cesar Montano at Sunshine Cruz. Ito ang bunsong anak nila na si Cheska Montano. Sa post ni Sunshine Cruz ay nag-caption siya ng Happy 17th birthday to my bunso. We may not agree with a lot of things because we are opposites in so many ways, but disagreeing with you will never make me love you less. You know how much I care for you, that I want to protect you all the time. I am always here for you, Cheska. Had a blast. Later, mahal na mahal kita. At doon na nga ito sinelebrate ng pamilya nila Sunshine sa isang bar kung saan dinaluhan ito ng kanilang pamilya at mga kaibigan, lalo na si Diego Loizaga. Panoorin natin ang kabuuan ng nasabing birthday celebration ni Cheska Montano.